Welcome to the next video of Standard 9 Maths 1. Lesson 2 Real Numbers. Next topic is third. If a is a positive rational number and nth root of a is x, and if x is an irrational number, then x is called a surd. Surd is irrational number. Here n root a. It is called radical sign. N is the order of surd. N is the order of surd, and A is called radicand. Now example, root 3, root 7, root 42 are surds. The surd of order 2 is called quadratic surd. The surd of order 2, its order 2 means here square root 7 root square root of 7, square root of 3, square root of 42. So it is called quadratic surd. Now next topic is simplest form of surd. Here root 48. 16 threes are 48. The square root of 16, 4 is here. Now 4 root 3 is the answer. Number 2, 98. Square root of 98. Therefore 49 twos are. Here the square root of 49 is 7. 7 root 2 is the answer. Similar or like surd. Next topic is like surd. Root 2, 3 root 2, 4 upon 5 root 2 are like surds. Example, here 45 and root 45 and root 80. 9 5s are 45 and 16 5s are 80. The square root of 9 is 3 and root 5, and square root of 16 is 4. 4 root 5 are like surds, means root 5 are like surds. Now comparison of surds. 1 is here. 6 root 2 and 5 root 5. The square of 6 is 36. 36 root 2. And the square of 5 is 25. So 25 root 25 and root 5. Here 36 twos are 72. And here 25 5s are 125. So 72 is smaller than 125. So sign is here. Therefore 6 root 2 is smaller than 5 root 5. Now number 2. 8 root 3 and 192. Here square of 8 is 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 square root 64 into root 3. Root 64 into root 3, and here 192. 64 3s are 192. Means here also 192, here also 192. So it is equal. Here equal sign is here. Therefore 8 root 3 and 192 are equal numbers. Operation on like surds. Here addition. Number 1. 7 plus root 3. 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3. 7 plus 29 means take this one. Root 3. 36 root 3 is the answer. Now second one is multiplication. Here root 7 and root 42. 7 into 42. Here 42 is equal to 7 6 42 means 7 and 6. Here 7 the square root of 7 and 7 is here, means here 49. The square root of 49 is 7 root 6 is the answer. Now third one. Root 125 divided by root 5. Here 125 divided by 5. Take 125 and 5. 5 25s are 125. So root 25. So answer is 5. Now next topic is rationalization of surd. Find rationalizing factor of 27. Here 27, root 27. Root 27 means 9 3s are root 9 and 3. 9 3s are, the square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 3 is the right answer. Therefore, 3 root 3 and root 3 is 3 root 3 and root 3. Root 3 makes 3 here and take it 3 here. 3 into 3, 9. The answer is 9. Therefore, this root 3 is the rationalizing factor of 27. This root 3 is rationalizing factor of 27. Now next one, rationalize the denominator. Here 1 upon root 5. 1 upon root 5 into, multiply it by root 5 into root 5 upon root 5. Root 5 ones are root 5 and root 5 and root 5 and root 5, 5 is here. 2 times root 5, 5 is here. Now it is the answer, root 5 upon 5. Now practice it 2.3. Question number 1 is here. State the order of surd. Answer, first number 3 is the order. Second 2 is the order. 3 4th is the order. 4th 2 is the order. And question number 5th 3 is the order of surd. Now question 2. 1, 2 and 6 are surds. They are positive rational numbers. And here 2, 4 and 5 are not surds. Because here root 4 root 16 means 2 is the answer. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 4 times 2. 2, which is not irrational number. Now second one means fourth one, root 256. The square root of 256 is 16. It is also not irrational. Number 5th, cube root of 64. 4 is the answer. 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 is also not irrational number. So it is not surd. Question 3. Like surd. 1, 3 and 4 like surds and unlike surd 2, 5 and 6. Here root 52 and 5 root 13. 52, 4 into 13 and 5 root 13. Here square root of 4, 2. So 2 root 13 and 5 root 13 are like surds because root 13. Now third one, 4 root 18, 7 root 2. 4 root 18 means 9 into 2. Here 7 root 2. The square root of 9 is 3. 4 into 3 root 2. 7 root 2. 4 into 3 12. 12 root 7. Sorry 2. 12 root 2 and 7 root 2 are the like surd. Here make it 2. 12 root 2 and 7 root 2 are like surd. Now next one. Root 68 and 5 root 3. Root 68 means 4 into 17. 17 4s are 68. And 5 root 3 is here. The square root of 4 is 2. Means 2 root 17 and 5 root 3. Here root 17 and root 3 are unlike surd. Now solve the remaining yourself. Question number 4. Simplify. 1 root 27 means 9 3s are 27. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 3 is the right answer. Number 2, root 50 means 25 2s are 15. The square root of 25 is 5 and root 2 is here means 5 root 2 is the right answer. Question number 5. Compare the following surd. Here also you have to solve remaining yourself. Compare the following surd. Number 1, 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. The square root of 7 is 49 and the square root of 5 is 25. So 49 2s are 98, 25 3s are 75, 75 is the smaller than 98. So this sign is here. Solve the remaining yourself. Now question number 6. Simplify. 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. 5 plus 8, it is like surd. 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 root 3 is the right answer. Number 2. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 125. Here 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5, 125 means 25 into 5. The square root of 25 is 5 here means 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5. Here 9 minus 4, 5 and plus 5. Here 9 minus 4 plus 5. 9 minus 4, 5 plus 5 means 10 root 5 is the right answer. Question number 7 and 8 solve yourself. Now question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. 3 upon 5. 3 upon root 5. Here take root 5 and multiply it. Root 5, 3 into root 5 and root 5 into root 5. Here 3 root 5, 3 root 5 is the answer. 5 into 5, 5 is the answer. Now number 2. 1 upon root 14. We have to multiply it by root 14. Root 14 here and here also root 14. Root 14 ones are 1 root 14 and root 14 into root 14. 14 is the right answer. Means 1 root 14 and 14 is the right answer. Here solved one example in question number 7. 3 root 12 and 18. Here root 12 means 14 into 3 and 18 means 9 into 2. The square root of 4 is 2 and this 3 is here. 3 into 2, 3 into 2 root 3 into square root of 3 is square root of 9 is 3 here. 3 root 2. 3, 2 and 3. 3, 2 and 3 and root 3 and root 2. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 root 3 and root 2 means 3 2s are 6. 18 root 6 is the right answer. Now question number 8. Divide. Root 98 divided by root 2. Here root 98 divided by root 2. 98 upon 2. 2 49s are 98. Means root 49. The square root of 49 is 7. So 7 is the right answer. Number 2. Root 125 divided by root 50. Put here 125 upon 50. 25 5s are 125. 25 2s are 50. 25 25 get cancelled and root 5 upon 2 is the right answer. Thank you.